In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photo to your resume in Canva. First, go ahead and open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look for the search bar at the top and type in resume. Canva will show you a lot of resume templates. You can either pick one of the ready-made designs or open your existing resume if you've already created one in Canva. Click on the design you want so it opens up in the editor. With your resume open, take a moment to look over the layout and decide where you'd like your photo to go. Many templates already have a placeholder circle or square for a profile picture, usually near the top. If your template already includes a picture frame, you're one step ahead. That's where your photo will go. If you don't see any space for a picture, don't worry. You can still add one and adjust the layout slightly to make room. Now, on the left-hand side of the Canva editor, click on the Uploads tab. This is where you can bring in your own image. Click the button to upload a file from your computer. Then select a professional-looking photo of yourself. Ideally, this should be a clear, well-lit headshot with a simple background. Once it finishes uploading, you'll see the image appear in your Uploads panel. To add the photo to your resume, simply click on the uploaded image and drag it onto your design. If your template has a placeholder frame, drag the photo over that frame until it snaps into place. Canva will automatically crop it to fit the shape. If you don't have a frame, drag the photo to the area where you want it. Then resize it by clicking and dragging the corners. Try to keep it large enough to be clear, but not so big that it overwhelms your content. You can fine-tune the look by selecting the image and using the toolbar above the design. Here, you can adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation, or apply subtle filters. Aim for a natural look that feels consistent with the style of your resume. When you're happy with the placement and appearance, give your resume a final check for spacing and alignment. Then save and download it in your preferred format.